Hi, it's Junk Journal and Jen. Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing very well today. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, hey friend, how you doing? Nice to see ya. All right, so we are going to be making our little flowers again today. And before we do that, let's read our scripture. Okay, let's read our promises, our precious promises from the Word. All right. Oh, it's going to be a good one. Of course it is. Okay, here we go. You, Lord, are a shield around me, my glory, the one who lifts my head high. Psalms 3:3. Yay. And then the next one is, the Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore. Psalms 121:8. And those are our scriptures for today. Yay? Yay. Okay. So, all right, let me show you guys what I did. Put our card here. So these are the flowers that we make, just to give you an idea. Oh, I made a multi-color. I had Karen had messaged me and she had made a multicolored one, and I will insert her picture here. And so this is what they look like. Here is the bathroom tissue one. It's super fluffy. And what I did today, I finally got all of the cutting done. So isn't that lovely? I cut all of the tissues, all the different colors, okay? And what I did is I had some like off shaped ones. These are all like really skinny. So I went ahead and put those all here. So I'm gonna just kind of pick through, and I thought we'd make some random ones. So why don't we go with, ooh, isn't that yellow so pretty? We could go yellow. We could go pink with the polka dots. We could go blue. What are we gonna do? Let's go with, oh, let's go with the pink. We'll go with the pink today. All right, so we are going to go ahead and fold. Get our scissors out, and we're gonna fold. Fold up, fold up, fold up. That one, I want to do a polka dot in there. I think that would be super cute, right? Fold up. Do a polka dot in there. And we'll do this brighter pink. Do that one. Ooh, I got a couple good videos coming out. I'm working on them right now. So be on the lookout. I know I'm doing a lot of flower videos currently, but stick around. It's going to be worth it. Okay. I finished a journal, my aunt, the cover of her journal last night. So I'm super happy. Like, talk about fulfillment. Like when you finish a journal that you've been working on for 6 months, you're just like, yay! And it was so big that I feel like it took up so much of my, desk space. So now I get to ship all of it to her. Isn't that a blessing? Okay, so let's put all of these to the side. And we'll work on this one flower here. Okay. There we go. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces today. And we're going to do the little one. You know me, I like to start with the little one. If you've been watching. And then we're going to go with the medium-sized one. Well, the next one up from the little one. It's still pretty little. And then we'll go a little bit bigger than that one. Okay. And then let's go poke it out again. A little bigger than that one. And then this is the biggest one, right? Let's make sure we get that right. Oh, that one's going to be a little wonky. Let's go with we need a big one. I don't know if you guys saw what just happened, but that one was going to be a little messed up there. So let's fold, fold, and fold. I don't even know if this one will work. Let's see what we got. I'm going to cut this one big just in case, okay? Yeah. Just in case. Let me see something. Hold on, where am I? And fold up. And fold. Okay, there we go. I'm having challenges today. I'm normally so quick at this, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and scrunch the tops. Give that a nice little scrunch, 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 scrunch. Right? And scrunch the top. There we go. Scrunching the top. Looks like it's an absolutely beautiful day out. I'm not sure what the temp is. I kind of woke up late today, and my husband was he's just zonked. He's just wiped out, so he stayed home. So he's resting today, which is really good. You know, sometimes you just get tired, and he hasn't had a vacation in, I want to say 2 years. 3. Oh, maybe 4. We were talking about the places that we want to go, and so many people have invited us to come visit them. And of course, you know, Ronnie wants to fish. So, anyways, we will see what's possible once I am totally and completely healed. Right? Because it is happening, my friends. I am declaring it. I'm believing it. It's going to happen. I know the Lord's going to answer our prayers. I got to stand in that. Okay. All right. We're undoing them. There we go. Ooh, that one really got wonky. Oh, let's flip it around so it's like that. Okay. It's going to be a cute one. So this is inspired by Karen. Right, you can kind of put those inside of each other like that. That one, and it's going to be kind of a big flower because I like using the tissue because you really get more petals out of it. When you use the toilet paper, it's only a single. So I like having the extra petals. And then if you wanted to make the tissue fluffier, just crinkle it before you go about doing it. Right? Cute. So yay. Come on. I'm having troubles with that one today. All right. There we go. Boom, boom. Boom, and boom. Cute. Okay, let's go ahead and do our glue, right? Get our little dust bunnies off over here. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to put this little pad of paper down just because sometimes I notice it'll try and get all over my desk. I'm not trying to have that. Oop. My desk is sliding. And then our buttons. Okay, let's see here. Cute. Can't really see the polka dots. They kind of get covered up, which is a bummer. But that's okay. Cute. I think I'm going to leave the last one to be the polka dot. There we go. We're not going to use that baby pink one. Cute, cute. Let's pick us a button. Ronnie picked our buttons for us. I see this pink one. Ooh, I see that one. Kind of a darker color. We're going to have to pick some more buttons out, guys. And we're just going to do a button today. So, got the pink button. Or the mauve colored one. I think I really like this pink one. I've been trying to use it for a week. So we're going to go ahead and use that. Boop. Perfect. We're not going to use that petal. And there we go. She's bright. Lovely though. Cute, cute, cute. Yay. No middle, no center today. We just did real simple. Super cute. All right, you guys, there we have it. We have our flower and our scripture for today. Psalms 3:3 and Psalms 121:8. So 121:8. Yay. Yay. All right, friends. Well, please do me a favor and like this video today. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. And hit the notification bell. And you're more than welcome to share this video. And thanks so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow for day 10. Day 10. Can you believe it? We're making it. We're doing this. All right. I will see you in the very next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.